Hey, surf class. Boy, great to see you guys. Can't wait for the start of the semester. This is just a quick alert to help you get started. We're going to start our first one synchronous on a Zoom meeting. And I have 3 surf classes, one right after another, so you're going to have to really pay attention. You want to go over to the left side of your Canvas when you open up the surf Canvas class. There's a calendar. Click on calendar and immediately that will open up. And on the Tuesday the 18th, you'll see 3 synchronous meetings, one for each of the classes. If you're in my 12:30 class, you'll obviously click to 12:30. If you're in my 2:15, it only goes on the half hour. So we're starting the 2:15 at 2 o'clock. I hope you get that one. And then my 4 o'clock will be at 4 o'clock. So look on that calendar, click on the appropriate one. Can't wait to see you. We'll go over everything and answer all the questions. See you Tuesday.